When to use an FMEA. One thing to understand is that FMEA is a tool. Understanding where it is used is vital. FMEA provides a structure and a common language used in manufacturing, service, profit, non-for-profit, public, private, or governmental organizations. FMEA is a tool for manufacturing, maintenance, or engineering departments and improving process support. The FMEA is a tool to identify and correct safety hazards to its functions. It allowed users to anticipate and eliminate safety problems before they occur. Consequently, FMEAs can improve the safety of manufacturing a product and improve the safety performance of that product itself. When these safety focuses on FMEA arise in manufacturing, a balanced combination of people who operate the equipment and others who are involved in using the equipment. This combination of user knowledge and outside observations provides a comprehensive analysis of the hazards. In addition, FMEA conducted on products to determine their safety are critical to today's quarrelsome society. Companies want to ensure that the customers that their products are safe and fit for use. In many cases, product instructions are not sufficient to spell out safety operating procedures of products. It has helped to involve customers and end users of the product in an FMEA, asking the customers to use the product. Other FMEA team members should observe functionalities in a design FMEA or be asking about the capabilities in a process FMEA. It can also be possible for a product to be incorrectly used or not for its intended purpose. Uncovering these risks during the FMEA gives the final product safeguard to protect the customer and prevent possible recalls. FMEAs can determine financial strategies and assess credit or investment risk. Problems created by software bugs or incorrect programs can lead to potential fatal disasters. As with a product or design FMEA, a software design quality FMEA can identify problems before they can be eliminated or reduced. As a result, FMEAs can help make important system designs, installations, and more robust. An FMEA conducted before advertising or marketing launch can help businesses avoid costly and sometimes embarrassing mistakes in marketing. An FMEA can be used to identify offensive or misleading advertising. The FME project can pre-plan reactive and response to potential damaged product disasters. In almost every industry, when pre-planning and risk can occur, an FMEA can serve as a valuable tool to identify priorities in future work. And this has been a look at when to use an FMEA.